KTM doesn't take half measures in anything. And the 1290 Super Duke GT is a prime example. It's supremely fast with that stonking 1301cc V-twin and outstanding chassis. Everything you'd expect from a 1290 Super Duke R offshoot, and is packaged with all the creature comforts you need. The entire judging panel in Tasmania was a big rap for those full bag of fruit credentials, but still, some didn't fully gel with the machine. It's no softie, and that was patently obvious to all the judges, most GT first-timers, when they punched out their first miles together. However, when you start to build a rapport with the KTM, the rewards are ridiculously satisfying. And with multiple riding modes and electronic suspension, the KTM offers a wealth of settings to suit your mood, confidence levels, and ability. We set the riding mode to the sharpest sport setting for most of the ride, and it was exceptionally obliging across the board, which shows just how refined the engine really is. Riding the bike at full noise is bliss, and the front end produces brilliant feedback, the pick of the Tassie bunch. The ride quality is excellent too. While the seat is firm, it's surprisingly comfortable on the long haul. Our testers were all unanimous with their appraisal of the cockpit. It's looking and feeling a little dated, but updates are on the way, along with a minor power increase and the addition of a vertically split LED headlight. KTM has been listening. Overall, the KTM is a giant of the sports touring caper for one simple reason: it delivers, irrespective of where and at what intensity you are riding. Tassie with proof of the pudding.